Here's a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Complaint is a noisy blower motor. So we're going to turn it on. And you can hear it. Is it a little louder? Yeah, I guess it could be annoying. We're going to change it out today. So what we got here is a AutoZone brand, or AutoZone sold VDO blower motor. That's the model number. This is the blower motor. Looks right here. It looks like 1, 2, 3 bolts and 1 plug, and it should drop in. We're going to take a look to see what that is. Probably just a locating tab or maybe just another screw. But this is basically what it is. Alright, so from the top, this panel comes off. There's 2 little plastic clips, 1 and 2. You pop it out with your little door panel screwdriver, if you have. Okay, then there's a little map light over here. You unplug that. There's a little tab over there. You squeeze that in and you pull it out. Was it a pain in the butt? Oh yeah. I'm not going to tell you that was an easy plug to unplug, but you hardly have any room. And then underneath, like I said before, you got 1 plug there, and you got those 3 screws that we talked about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to disconnect it. The 3 screws and that plug, and I want to get right back to you. Put that on. All right, so we took the 3 screws out. Fell out right there. That locating tab was not really a locating tab. What it is, it's a plastic clip that holds onto this harness. All right, so you gotta get your little tool there and snap that out. Other than that, the blower motor pretty much falls on your hand. All right, so we'll do that and we'll drop it off. Put you on hold again. All right, once you snap that little clip off, this should come right out. Of course, it's hitting the wire harness over here. Okay, push that out of the way and out it comes. And there it is. I don't see no debris in it. Could be just the motor itself on its way out. But that's what it looks like. And the replacement one is going to look just like it. There you go. All right, same thing. It's not a locating tab. It's just basically just a clip to hold the harness that plugs into here, in and out. All right, real fast. Not a bad job. All right, it's underneath. It's a little bit of a tight spot. Other than that, it's doable. Just put your passenger seat all the way back. All right, ciao.